Welcome back to my channel. Are you in hundreds of Facebook groups but don't have time to interact with every single post? Collision, it's time to get yourself a powerful auto comment bot for 2026. Pushpin. In this video, you'll learn how to white heavy checkmark easily set up a Facebook auto comment bot, white heavy checkmark configure comment content based on keywords, white heavy checkmark boost post engagement, rank your content at the top of groups, white heavy checkmark optimize customer targeting and save time managing group interactions.